Hi guys, welcome, and this I'm showing you this solar outdoor light. So as you can see, there are solar lights, and this can be put outdoor. This is a waterproof light and charged by solar, so no electricity connection required. So this come in a pack of two, and you can see the size is big with a big LED panel. So the screws and everything is supplied with this, and I will show you how I can install this or how you can install this with a proper guidance. This is the manual that comes with it. So as you can see, this is the big solar panel with a big panel lights, like LED lights. So multiple lights, and this is the on and off button that you have to use. This also have the motion sensor, so it's pretty easy for the night. So the attachments are provided, so you have to put one set into the holder and one set to the panel. So you need to be careful because there is a particular position that need to be fixed, and I can show you that. So say like this is the back portion which goes in the back, and you have to hold this with the screw, and there will be a nut bolt, so that will go in the back. Now the front portion is same, so you have to be think like the rotation part will come inside, the solar panel will be up, and the LED panel will be below. So once it's all tightened up, you can set it up the position. The second light will go the same, but I'm just showing you the one light for now so that the video length will be controlled. So it goes like the same way with this one. So now I just put it outside in the solar light so that it can get charged. And now it is the night time, and as I soon came near to it, it lights up. So just say like when I came little closer to the light, it will sense up to certain feet, and see the light is on. It's very bright light. You can see that in the night you can clearly see everything, and after 20 seconds the light will be off if no motion is detected below the light. So it's really nice design and nice light.